Okay, so this lesson I want to talk with you how to locate angles and how to indicate or how to know that these angles are corresponding, they are alternating, or they are co-interior angles and vertically opposite angles. So it has to do with straight lines. So this line AB is parallel to CD. That's the arrows there. Means they will never meet. So that's parallel lines. So how to locate an angle? If I have S here and I want to locate this angle, this S, I will make sure the letter here, the letter here, which is V, will be in the middle. So I can start from E, V, B. So that will be the angle here. So if I want this angle here, I have to trace this line. I'll meet B. If I trace this one here too, I'll meet E. So that's how to locate angle S. If I have here to be my A, if I want to locate A here, this angle, A degrees, what will I do? If I trace this line, it will be D. So when I trace this line, it will be F. I have here which is O. So the O will be in the middle. I can start F, O, G. Somebody will also say D, O, F. So this is the angle. That's how to locate an angle. In case you also have an angle here which says Y. If I have Y here and I want to locate this Y degrees, we have FVA or AVF. You make sure where the point is, that place will be in the middle. And you cannot start from anywhere. So you can start from the top or the down here. But mostly, we do it alphabetical order. So AVF. But if you say FVA, you're also correct. So now you know how to indicate or how to know, how to locate an angle. So in a question, if they ask you to find angle EOC, angle EOC, you bear with me, the O is here. So which side would I trace to get my C and E? If I trace this side, I'll get C. If I trace this side, I'll get E. So angle EOC. This is it. If they also ask you angle BVE, that's the S. So B, my V, my F here. If they also ask you angle FOC or COF. So I have my C here, I have my F here. When I trace them, so this is the O. So that's the angle. So I think you now know how to locate. So when we talk of alternative angles, it has to do with lines that are parallel. So looking at this line and this line, they are parallel lines. So this angle is S. So I have my S degrees here. It will alternate here. So if here is S and here is, let me say, my Q. Alternative angles are equal. So S is equal to Q. That's alternative angles. If I also have here to be A and this angle here to be B, I told you the V is the point. So here too, if I say that place is B for me, that's another alternative angle. So B alternates A. So A is equal to B. So I have it this way. So now you know alternative angles. So when we talk of corresponding angles, the Y here corresponds to this scale. And they are equal. So you can say your Y is equal to Q. These are alternatives. Alternative angles and corresponding corresponding angles. Don't mind my handwriting. So if I want the angle that corresponds to the A here, I have to come and locate this place, which I will say this is my P. So the P corresponds to A. So means P is equal to A because corresponding angles are equal. Now, if I want the angle that corresponds to X, I have to come and locate outside. So this angle corresponds to S. If I want the B here, the angle here corresponds to the angle here. So corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, let's move to vertically opposite angles. When we talk of vertically opposite angles, this is it. P here, B here. That's vertical opposite. YS, vertically opposite. So I have my vertical opposite angles. I have Y is equal to S, and I have B is equal to P. If I also come here, if here is scale, I can say here is my R. So vertically opposite angles, Q is equal to R. That's vertically opposite angles. So my Q is equal to R, which means tackling angles is never difficult. So this is just a summary. When we talk of co-interior angles, they sum up to 180. So co-interior angles, they sum up to 180. So when we talk of co-interior angles, X and A is co-interior angles. B and Q is co-interior angles. So A plus S is equal to 180, and B plus Q is equal to 180. So this B, this Q, that's co-interior angles. They sum up to 180. So that's just a summary of how easy angles are. So I hope you enjoyed it. But don't forget, you like, you share, you subscribe. More are yet to come. It will guide you through maths, and you know how easy maths